In today's video, you'll learn how to mark up a PDF using Microsoft Edge in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you've ever wanted to highlight text, add notes, or draw directly on a PDF without installing extra software, this method is perfect for you. Microsoft Edge already has built-in tools that make working with PDFs fast and convenient. Let's get started. First, open your PDF file in Microsoft Edge. You can do this by double-clicking the file or right-clicking it and choosing Edge as the app to open it. Once the document loads, take a look at the top of the screen. You'll see a toolbar with several editing options. Now, let's go through the most useful tools one by one. The first tool is the pen. This lets you draw or write directly on the PDF using your mouse or touchscreen. It's great for quick notes, signatures, or marking important areas. You can also change the color and thickness to match your style. Next is the highlighter. If you want to emphasize key information, this is the tool to use. Just select it, drag over the text, and it will be highlighted instantly. You can pick different colors to organize your notes more clearly. If you prefer typing instead of writing, use the text tool. This allows you to click anywhere on the document and add typed notes. It's especially useful for clean, readable comments or explanations. Made a mistake? No problem. The eraser tool helps you remove any pen or drawing marks quickly, keeping your document neat and organized. There's also a comment feature. Simply select some text, right-click, and add a comment. This opens a small note box where you can write detailed feedback or reminders. It's perfect for reviewing documents or collaborating with others. Once you've added all your highlights, notes, and drawings, don't forget to save your work. You can either overwrite the original file or choose Save As to create a new copy with your changes. And that's it. You're now able to edit and mark up PDFs directly inside Microsoft Edge without any extra tools. And that's how you mark up a PDF using Microsoft Edge. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.